Hello everybody, it's Rainbow Runner. Welcome back to yet another episode of Railfanning. We're down Warner Road and we have UP 2661 leading an outbound train. Day I'm recording this is February 3rd of 2022. And just real fast, the signal's green right here at Warner. I want to say the train is at Lindsay right now. Yeah. Any second now, probably the gates will activate. All right. Okay, now it's passing Lindsay. Okay, this car's gonna make it across the tracks. And we have a few cars heading our way right now from heading westbound, as you can see. Who knows if they'll make it in time. I guess okay, that car's gonna make it across, but these cars are gonna stop. Okay, I thought that was the end of the train right there because of those flats of the cars right there. Tons of auto racks. Oh, and there's the end. Still holding red right there. Okay, it took a few seconds for the gates to start going up. All right. So yeah. And now it's about to be done passing Val Vista Drive, of course. Oh yeah, and Val Vista gates are rising. So yeah, another day, another train, basically. So yeah, really have come a long way. So, all right, I think that will wrap up yet another episode of Railfanning. So thanks for watching, everybody. So, and Rainbow Runner is going to be heading out once again. Bye.